Hello everyone, welcome back. And so we have reached the last feature of the studio on Notebook LM. So, so till now we have explored total six of the features, starting from audio overview to video overview, mind map, reports, flashcard, quiz, infographic, and slide deck. So data table is the last one as of now. So Google will keep on updating these features uh, and once they update I will have the updated videos in this course. Let's get started and explore data table. Okay, for this let's create a new notebook. Okay, so here what I am trying to do is comparison of popular electric cars in India. Okay, what I have done is I created some keywords to get the data. Okay, and also you can do. Okay, so what I have is six best electric cars. Okay, let me select that one only. Okay, you can, okay, by mistake I added it. You can import these, and also I wanted to add one more URL. Okay, you can add those. So it has given me around 11 sources. Okay, it has compared around 9 years of data. Okay, and here I will directly create one data table. Okay, it gets initiated. The second one is the customized one. So click on the pen icon here. Okay, what I'll do is I'll give a prompt saying that create a comparison data table of electric cars mentioned in the sources, including columns for car model, battery capacity, driving range, charging time, price range in India, key feature, and ideal buyer. Okay, so I'll click on generate. So it's okay. I think let it be in English. Okay, you can again you can select your language. Okay, you can click on generate. Okay, so let it get generated. So we already have default uh, data table here. Let's have a look. Okay, it's named as electric vehicle models and specification in India. Okay, click on that. So it will be presented with a Excel kind of format. Okay, so it has given you all the details what you wanted. Okay, so this is the default one. This is comparison of electric cars in India, which we have customized it. Let's open it. Okay, so it has given everything. So let me show the prompt here. Okay, driving range, battery capacity, charging time, price range in India, key features, ideal buyer. Okay, source. So how do you customize it? I want to show you one more thing. Okay, let me run through the same uh, prompt. I'll just mention don't include source info in the data table. Okay, since you have seen it in English, let me give it in maybe Latin. Okay, I just randomly created. Okay, it has created it in Latin. Okay, so it is still not removed the sources, but you can export it to Google Sheet. Okay, you can format it over here. Okay, you can remove it from your Google Sheet. Okay, so it requires a slight modification, but I think that is not a tedious job. So you can give the coloring and all those things. So whatever is created over here, it will come as a Excel sheet. You can export it to Excel. So what are the other options? So rename, export to sheet, which I have shown you, view custom prompt, okay, and delete. Okay, if you delete any of this, okay, it will get removed from the this particular list. That's it. Thank you.